Assalamu alaikum viewers. In my previous class, I already discussed what is DO, what is BUD and what is COD. Dissolved oxygen, biological oxygen demand and chemical oxygen demand. In my previous class, I already explained about this. If you didn't watch, you can watch this from the I button. So today, I will discuss about turbidity. What is turbidity? Turbidity. So, what is called turbidity and what is the function of turbidity? Turbidity comes from turbid. Turbidity comes from turbid. That means not good water. This is bad water. Normally, water quality is not good. In the water present mud, sand, clay, suspended solid. In the water present suspended solid, undissolved solid, mud, clay, sand, then it is called turbidity. Turbidity means not good water, bad quality water. Normally all water present turbidity, but if in the water present more mud, more clay, more suspended solid are available, that it is called turbidity. That means which impurities we can see on the water, it is called turbidity. If 2 glass to water, if you provide light, if light passes from the water, it is good quality water, less turbidity. But if you put light on the water, but this light not cross the water, then it is called more turbidity water. That it is called more turbidity water. In the drinking water also have turbidity. Drinking water turbidity maximum 5 ppm. You should drink less than 5 ppm turbidity water. Turbidity unit is NTU. So N means nephelometric turbidity unit. So NTU means nephelometric turbidity units. There are 2 types of turbidity units. One is called turbidity unit meter, another is called nephelometric turbidity unit. So now I will discuss about conductivity. So now I will discuss about conductivity. So normally in the water present 2 types of compound. One is called conductive compound, another is called non-conductive compounds. Normally in the water 2 types of compound are available. One is called conductive compounds, another is called non-conductive compounds. So conductive compounds means in the water present hardness. In the water available organic compound means in the water present calcium, magnesium, sodium, etc. It is present in the water. If conductive compound or hardness or ion, if in the water ion is available, that means it is called conductive compound. That time you can measure conductivity. But if in the water ion not available, it is called non-conductive compound, like sugar. If you take one glass and put water on the glass and mixed sugar, it will dissolve with water, but it has no electron, no ion. But if you put on this water salt like sodium chloride, if you provide on this water sodium chloride, what will happen? This side sodium have positive ion and chloride have negative ion. This side positive and negative ion will be present and this side electron will be present. So if in the water electron are available, that time this water have conductivity. If you connect any valve that time this bulb will be lighting. You think if 1 glass of demineralized water and if you put 1 cup of sugar, so in this water not available electron. If you connected by light in this water, this light will be not turn on because there are not available electron. But if you put demineralized water in 1 glass and if you put 1 cup of salt, that time in this water available positive negative ion electron available, and if you connect with, if two wire connect with 1 bulb, this bulb will be lighting because there are available electron. If electron available, that means in this water have conductivity. If electron not available, in that water no conductivity. So if conductivity not available, it is called non-conductive compound, non-conductive water. If conductivity is available, if electron is available, it is called conductive water. So I hope you understand what is the conductivity. If in the water hardness, that means calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, chloride, sulfate. If this compound available, that means this water have conductivity. Now I will discuss about TDS. So what is the meaning of TDS? TDS. TDS means total
dissolve solid.
Normally 2 types of solid are available on the water. One is called TDS, another is called TSS, another is called TSS, total dissolved solid, another is total suspended solid. One is called total dissolved solid, another is called total suspended solid. So total dissolved solid means in the water available organic compound, in the water available mineral, in the water available salt, in the water available potassium, calcium, magnesium. So this is dissolved solid. Which solid are dissolved on the water, that it is called dissolved solids. Normally which dissolve with water, it is called TDS, total dissolved solid. But if in the water suspended solid are available, in the water mud, clay are available in the water, it is called suspended solid, which will be not dissolved with water, that's called suspended solid. So okay viewers, now I will discuss about hardness. Normally in the water 2 types of hardness are available. Hardness. One is called permanent hardness. Another is called temporary hardness. Calcium carbonate, calcium sulfate, magnesium carbonate are present in the soil. So when rain coming, that time this hardness will mix up with water. By this way, this water hardness will be increased. If I give one reaction, calcium carbonate plus carbon dioxide react with water, and what will create? Calcium 2 ion plus bicarbonate, CO3. It will get calcium ion plus bicarbonate. So in the soil available calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, calcium sulfate, and also available carbon dioxide and react with water, and it will create calcium 2 ion. It is called hardness. Calcium ion, magnesium ion, this is called hardness. By this way in the water hardness increase. So one is called permanent hardness, another is called temporary hardness. What is permanent hardness? Types of hardness cannot possible by heat. It is called permanent hardness because calcium and magnesium sulfate on magnesium ion, this ion sulfate or chloride, if you provide heat, it will not remove. So that's why it is called permanent hardness. But another hardness, temporary hardness, calcium and magnesium. Temporary hardness means calcium ion, magnesium ion, ion of carbonate, bicarbonate. So calcium and magnesium ion of carbonate and bicarbonate, if you provide heat, it will remove. So this is called temporary hardness.